Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Mindfulness with Pratibha. So, tomorrow is a wonderful day where 999 portal is opening. Yes, tomorrow is 9 September 2025. So, this is a wonderful day for manifestation to seek all the blessings of the universe that is amplifying its energies on that day. So tomorrow is 999 portal opening, and 9 represents Hanumanji, 9 represents planet Mars, and 9 is also a number of completion. Yes, so if you want to manifest your goals faster, do certain things on this day, which I'm going to tell you tomorrow, and you will see that you will be getting all those things in a quicker way, in a faster way. So I hope this video will give you lots of inputs, lots of learnings where you can apply them and see a magical things happening in your life. But before that, if you are new to my channel, my name is Pratibha and I have made lots of videos on Ho'oponopono. I have certain numerology videos also and manifestation techniques also. So do watch all these videos that can help you to move further in life, achieve those good things in your life. And if you want to be part of my daily sessions, which I take Monday to Friday, there are 2 timings where you can be part of it and make your goals getting faster results in your life, because these sessions are power packed and I take it regularly from Monday to Friday. So with that, I want to tell you that tomorrow's day is special and you should be following certain things that I'm going to tell you right now. And when you do this, I'm sure that we all will be manifesting in a very wonderful way and we will get the results in a quicker way also. So number 1, so what we can do is we can first pray to Hanumanji, chant Hanuman Chalisa. You can chant it, you can keep on you can keep on hearing this entire day, and you can hear it, you can listen it, you can say it, either options, whatever suits you, you can do it. Second, visit Hanuman temple tomorrow, because tomorrow again is a wonderful day, that is Tuesday, which is again Hanumanji's day. So do visit Hanuman temple tomorrow and offer motichur laddu, orange laddu to Hanumanji. And if you have time, you can be creative, because Hanumanji also has a flag that you can make a small flag, an orange flag, and write Shri Ram on it and offer that flag to Hanumanji with this orange laddu, which will please Hanumanji, and Hanumanji can give lots of good blessings to us, because we have put those efforts, we have prayed to Hanuman, we have all the beliefs, trust that we want from Hanumanji, the strength, the power, the surrenderness that he does it for Sri Ramji, that we can seek the blessings. So do these things and do visit Hanuman temple tomorrow. Third is write down your affirmations. Yes, third is write down your affirmations that you want to manifest with a red pen, and if you can do it regularly, it's wonderful. But tomorrow, please do it. Please write all your affirmations, say it loudly, with all the power, with all the good feelings, with all the amazing thoughts, and say it with wonderful happiness. Fourth comes, wear red or orange clothes tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow you can wear red or orange because it represents planet Mars and again Hanumanji also. So do wear red and orange clothes. Fifth comes, you can do Hanuman Jap 108 times tomorrow, so that the entire day is fully dedicated to Hanumanji and seek his blessings. Next comes, sixth comes, do 9 minutes meditation. Yes, you can do 9 minutes meditation on that day. Visualize all your goals. Do remember Hanumanji, Sri Ramji by saying all the chanting their names and affirmations along with it. Next, seventh comes, serve needy people. If you have certain people around which need certain help, you can please help them, you by offering some food or maybe offering some help which they are looking out for. Please serve the needy people tomorrow. Then comes 9-minute visualization. As I said, that please visualize it only 9 minutes and see the entire thing that you want to manifest, and as if it is already happening in your life. Do visualize this, because tomorrow all the energies are contributing that can make our desires goal amplified. They can achieve, we can achieve all our goals, desires quickly. Next comes, also we have to pray Sri Ramji also, because Hanumanji was a disciple of Sri Ramji and always used to seek Sri Ramji for help for any thing that he wanted to ask or wanted to happen in his life, isn't it? So we should be also praying to Hanumanji and as well as Sri Ramji also. So do chant Sri Ram Stotra or anything 108 times along with Hanumanji's jap. So that will also again benefit you in your life. And the last is, as you know that Pitru Paksh is going on, so we should be praying for our ancestors, for all the peace, for all the goodness that they have been doing in their life and that has passed on the generation. So this is the time we should be saying thank you to them. So do light a mustard diya and keep it in the south direction, because south direction represents ancestors direction, and you can please do that, light a diya in their name and keep it in the south direction, praying for their goodness, praying for whatever good contribution that they have given in our life. And also say sorry if anything negative has happened in their life and they could not say sorry or they could not do anything in their life, and that also has impacted in our generation. So this is the time that we should be saying sorry on behalf of them. So say thank you also and sorry also on behalf of them to our universe, to any god that you are willing to say all these good things about them. So pray for their calmness, pray for this for them and seek their blessings on this day. So these were all the things that you can perform tomorrow to manifest your goals, to have that magical things going on in your life that will amplify and give you good results in your life. I'm going to do that. I hope you also should be doing that. So because of that, I have made this video today so that you can be prepared that and note down whatever I have told you in this video and do it tomorrow, perform it tomorrow, and you will see that amazing things are happening in your life, and all the manifestation goals, desires that you want to manifest will come sooner in your life. So thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. Thank you.